Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is your monthly reading for August 2026. General reading, pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comments section. Okay, Aquarius, what's the energy for you? Communication. So I think you're going to use your communication skills to create something. Kasi 33 is creativity. So pwedeng kayo ay meron ditong collaboration, working with others. Pwede rin meron important communication na marireceive ka ngayong August, no? Na importante siya sa buhay mo. Yung impormasyon na yon na marireceive mo. And also, you will take pride. Ibig sabihin is, magiging proud ka sa sarili mong achievements, of course. You will take pride on your mga ma-achieve mo na goals. And being proud of yourself is hindi naman yun masama, no? Ibig sabihin, you appreciate yourself, you have trust and confidence sa sarili mo. And you are grateful for the blessings na iyong marireceive. Napaka-importante rin talaga na you are grateful kasi mga taong grateful sa blessings, sa kung ano man yung mga magagandang nangyayari sa buhay nila, they will be blessed. Kasi, ibig sabihin, na-appreciate nila yung binibigay sa kanila. Dignified. So, this is about confidence, strength, no? Kasi sa astrology, if the planet is dignified sa isang sign, nagpe-perform siya ng maayos. So, for some of you, you will take pride on whatever talents or skill set na meron ka or achievements na meron ka. Kasi alam mo na nasa tamang lugar ka, nasa tamang sitwasyon ka, nasa tamang tao ka. Your overall energy is the Ace of Pentacles. This is new beginnings, new opportunities in career, business, finances. Pwede rin meron ka marireceive na certain amount of money ngayong August na magagamit mo to create something. Part ng creativity mo or, starting a business. Your challenge is the Chariot. As a challenge, this can be, pwede itong mga delays sa iyong plano. And ang delays, it doesn't mean na hindi na yan mangyayari or nakatigil na. It's just, it can be like redirection para sa inyo. Kaya kung may mga bagay na plano ka, may mga plano ka na hindi nangyari, hindi natuloy, just go with the flow. Kasi ibig sabihin lang nun, there's a better opportunity para sa'yo elsewhere. Okay? Now, also pwedeng merong ma-experience kayo na challenging situation during travel. So, make sure na, may mga safety measures kayo. May pag-iingat, diba? Para iwas abala. Now, your opportunity is the Page of Swords. As an opportunity, merong business. This can be a business opportunity kasi Ace of Pentacles or a new source of income na marireceive through email or through, certain communication, or meron kang idea, no? Like, alam niyo mga creative ideas, so eureka moments na, uy, magandang idea to, pwede tong gawin ko, subukan to, i-apply ko to sa buhay, sa life, sa buhay mo or sa trabaho, career mo, 'di ba? This is also gathering information and doing your research. You have the opportunity to learn a new skill, okay? Your blessing is the Seven of Wands. You are protected. As a blessing, iiwas sa'yo yung mga tao na hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. And marirealize mo rin kung sino yung mga taong talagang kakampi mo, sino yung hindi, sino yung mga nagpapanggap lang. Oo, yung may receive flowers, no? Pwede, alam mo yung mga flowers na pinapadala, may ano, tumatawag lang sila dun sa ano, sa company or sa, not company, yung sa store, flower shop, and then ipapadala sa'yo, di ba? Ang fun. Get back to basics. So, yung iba, hindi niya na i-complicate ang mga sitwasyon. Mas gusto nyo na simple lang yung proseso na gusto nyo gawin or pagdaanan. You will focus on the basics of life. It can be anything. Halimbawa, sa pag-aaral, no? Getting back to basics. Ano ba yan? Mercury retrograde. Sinisi na naman siya. So, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung basics ng pag-aaral? Pagbabasa ng libro. Like, you know, going to the library or may hihiramin kang books. Ganyan. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Yes, I think this is something to do with the Seven of Wands. Palaban ka talaga. Hindi mo hayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao. You can protect yourself. You can protect your energies. And hindi nila yan, kumbaga hindi nila yan mapapasok. Mapapasok talaga. Oo. Or, ang tawag doon? Mapipenetrate. Ano ba? Oo, ganon. Basta, it's like you are putting up like a protection sa sarili mo. And hindi nila yan, hindi ka nila matatamaan. Parang ganon. The bigger picture, take a step back and gather your thoughts and feelings. So, ito yung mag-iisip ka muna bago ka gumawa ng isang malaking desisyon. Kumbaga, hindi ka magpapadalos-dalos. Alam mo, ang pasikot-sikot. That's part of the data gathering for you. You will research on things, especially kung malaki yung desisyon na gagawin mo. Intuition, and also, hindi lang to for practical purposes, but also your instinct, spiritual purposes. Listen to your soul's truth, think less and feel more. Oh, I love that. So, thinking less and feeling more. So, yung mag-guide sa'yo ngayon dito is yung inyong kutob, yung iyong instinct. What is your instinct, intuition telling you to do? Kasi mas magiging on point ang inyong ang inyong intuition during this time. And dahil doon, mas madali ka makakasense ng danger sa paligid mo or yung mga unwanted energies. And that way, mas mapoprotectionan mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.